I have created Zakia, I have created this macro for here you will paste the total DB data. It is pasted here to October. You will paste after date here when it will arrive, and here the PPT products you will paste. The sheet must be deleted and pasted in the same column format as it is here, and the column name should be as in here, not row labels, and as you did previous. So this is the PPT data of 2 October. So when you will make of 16 October, then you will delete all this from second row to here, and you will paste the corresponding columns names corresponding data from second row to wherever you make the PPT data, how much products you make, whether 66 products, 60 products. But in my opinion, this time you have made PPT for I think 48 products. From next time, keep in mind that you make the PPT for all products. That is 22 categories multiplied by 3 products. All 66 products PPT should be made for next time. So keep that thing in mind. I have already told you this thing previously also, but this time I didn't follow that. So next time, please follow that. Make 66 products PPT. We want all categories. We don't want to miss any even a single category or even a single product among the top 3 products. And here you so this should be understood to you. Here you will paste, and after this you will save the file and click on fetch ppt all db. You will click here. Now we will click here fetch ppt all db, and it will be fetched and formatted automatically. I think it is done. The macro was fast optimized. So here we can see, so we can see here that we have asins, and these are the asins. Here the count is 209 because we have fetched the all PPT data, not the particular asins or the particular products. I am explaining this. Listen. Now let's see asins. Now create a new sheet. Paste it here. Now remove the duplicates. See 49, 48 unique duplicates. 48 products are here for after removing duplicates. I hope that should be clear to you. So I'm explaining it more briefly now. See 48 products. Now I have fetched the all corresponding related data of these 48 asins. So here we can see that, let's see for any particular let's create a pivot that will be more understandable. We can see here that for the let's move it here. Let's put the asin here. Now let's put the subcategory here. Now let's put the category here. So why it is giving 6 categories, and we want the distinct count. So we need to create the add it to the power. We'll again create a pivot by adding it to power pivot. Let's add it to data model. It is being added to the data model so that we can see the distinct count and get to know if there are any two colliding, if there are any collisions. I'm explaining you in this video. Now let's create a pivot. Enter. Now let's go to the pivot. Now our table was table number was table 3. So table 3 will open. We'll put the AC in here. Now let's make it to the active. Okay, and now we'll put the subcategory. We'll put the category. Category we will make it distinct count. Distinct count. We'll make this also distinct count. Let's apply the filter. This 53 I think is a grand total. Okay. So there are two categories and two subcategories for these in the whole timeline data that we pulled from 14th July. So let's see for this how it is. Let's copy this ASIN. No, let's not do that. Put it here only. Let's copy this ASIN, paste it here. Now we can see that for this ASIN we have 6 dates data. These are the dates. See, from 24th July to October. Rakib, please keep in mind that 14th July data is missing from the in this DB. So please put that also that we have pulled. And here we are seeing that for the same ASIN brand Favera, the categories were changing in the timeline of pulling when we pull data. On 24 July 7th August and 21st August for the same brand, same ASIN, same Amazon standard identification number. The category name has been changed. Car and motorbike to health and personal care. See for Vera, Tomber support for car. Support for car. The product is same, but the category is changing, and also the subcategory is changing. So this is the thing that you have to keep in mind that I wanted to show you. Now let's see another thing that I wanted to show you. Uh, let's see the different brands that we have. Let's know the filter. Let's put the brands. Make it distinct count. Let's apply the filter. Brands were there are only one brands for each issue. So no duplicates in brands we have. But we can see that in the 48 products there are 41 distinct brands. So the brands are common for some products, for some ASINs, sorry, for some ASINs. And for subcategory for 48 products we have subcategories as 53 and categories as 18 distinct categories and distinct subcategories. So Raki, please keep in mind when next time you make the PPT, you put in a slide in an infographic form that you show the distinct categories that we have, the distinct for this PPT data. So whether 66 products you make, you will show for suppose 18 distinct categories we have. I have created this automated file for you. Only you just have to paste the data and run the macro, and the results will be there. And then you have to copy paste that in the PPT as you do. So categories, subcategories, and brands. You will show how many distinct. And then the next thing we can show is that we can show the average BSR for the average BSR. Let's see the sellers. How many sellers we have? Distinct sellers. How many we have for each ASIN? For each ASIN we have. Let's see how many distinct sellers. Here we have two distinct sellers. Let's see how many maximum distinct sellers we have. The maximum are four distinct sellers are the maximum. Let's check the 2 and 4. And total 37 distinct sellers we have for 48 products that you have made the PPT for. 4 is for 1 only and 2 is for 6 only. Yes. So let's calculate the average BSR of them. The average BSR will be BSR BSR. Let's make it average one. Oops. Let's make it average. The average is here. Let's make it integral. Number format will go. Make it number. Make it number. Okay. These are the average BSR that we are getting. Now let's see the minimum and max prices that we have. Now let's go to the price. Let's put it at the top only. Let's put another price. Let's put at the top. We will give it as min. And we will give it as max. Let's make the price more good looking. Number format. Custom currency. Let's make it 0 decimal. Okay. Okay. Min price max. Let's go to number format. Currency. Okay. Okay. So there we have. Let's see for the four sellers that we have distinct count of seller 2 4. We have min price as this, max price as this. These are the min price or max prices we have. For let's see for the four sellers that we have it as 308 and 323. So the four sellers selling this ASIN has have min price as 308 and max price is 323. Okay. So let's see the revenue share of these four sellers. Let's see the revenue share of these four sellers.